Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another one of my YouTube tutorials. In this YouTube tutorial, we will be going over how to install StreamYard on your phone, your tablet, or your PC. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do, because it is an app, you put in the bar StreamYard and it will go right here to the app, which you can see is highlighted. Once you have that, I'm going to show you the next thing that's going to come up. It will bring you to this where it shows StreamYard pricing and all that. You're going to click on the StreamYard. Once you click on the StreamYard, this is what it will bring you to. When you sign up, it shows you all the things that you can use StreamYard on. You can use it on your Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Periscope, RTMP server, and your Restream. Okay, and it tells you what each one is. You can use it on a page, a group, and a profile on Facebook. Same thing with LinkedIn, except for not the profile. You just have the page and the profile. YouTube channel. Connect to your Periscope. Connect to the RTM server. And this one. Once you do that, the next thing that it's going to show you is you're going to link it to whatever one you want. You click on the boxes. As you can see, I did mine on YouTube. To start a broadcast, you're going to go to where it says create a broadcast right here. Okay, you put it here, whether you want it public, private, scheduled, or what the title is, description. You can schedule it for later by clicking this bar. And if you don't, you just want to do a live right then and there, then you hit create broadcast. Now, to give you a little bit more information on here, I'm going to go through everything in the StreamYard so you understand everything about it. That was the broadcast tab, the first one that we just showed you. These are all my past broadcasts right here that I have used on here. Let me move myself over so you can see. As you can see, these are mine right here. Okay, and you have the more. Okay, after you get that, we're going to show you the next thing. Now come to destination settings. You can reconnect. If you get disconnected, you can go and reconnect to your YouTube, or you can remove it anytime if you get tired of StreamYard. It's rather easy to use. Okay, now we're going to come to, let me get this here, to where it says my account. Okay, and this is your dashboard, which is the first one we've seen. Then you have all the different things, and I will go through everything in this list so you know what it is. So give me a moment. Okay, so this is the first thing in the list. It is the billing. Okay, and you can see it is free. You do have the free subscription, or you can do a paid. You can use it by card, invoices, but this is the billing. Now we're going to show you the next one, which will be the referrals. If you refer people here, it says invite your friends to StreamYard. They'll get $10 in credit once they spend $25 with us, and you'll get $25 in credit. And that's if you want the paid version and you want to show people the paid version. I only use the free version, but the referrals, you put your email and then the person's email and then send the invite, and they have the other ways that you can refer people by inviting them to the link, sharing on Facebook and in Twitter. And as you can see, it shows the stats, which for me is none because I don't do the referral. Okay, the next thing on here would be to contact us. As you see, they do have a contact. I haven't had to use this so far, but it shows you how to do it, and they're right there to speak to you if you need them. Here is the facts so you can understand everything. It has getting started, devices and equipment, all the different questions that you may have with it is right there that you can read on the facts page. And here is the pricing plan. This one I wanted to show you the difference between annually and monthly. This is the annually. As you can see here, it's clicked on the blue. And this is what the annual plan is. This is a free plan. This is what you get right here. The $20 basic annually. Okay. Which would be, it's $20 a month, so annually is once a year, so you would have to figure out what 20 times 12 is, and that is what you would have to pay once a year, and this is everything that comes with it. Okay, this is professional, the same thing, it would be $39 times 12. And whatever that comes to, that is what you would be paying one time a year. Okay, and this is everything that they offer for that plan. And now, as you can see, I clicked on the monthly, so you can see there's a difference. On the monthly plan, as you can see, the free is the same. The basic is it's $5 more. They give you a $5 discount every month that you're saving. As it said, you're saving $60 a year. On the professional, if you remember, it was $39 a month for the annual, which was, and monthly you would be saving $120 if you did it annually. Okay? But these are the pricing plans, and this is for the free. You see, nothing changes. It's just you can be billed annually or you can be billed monthly. And one thing before I leave, just to note, if you are monetized, if you are already monetized and you are using StreamYard, you will have to go into the settings and change that, because if you use StreamYard when you do a live stream, it will demonetize it. It won't be monetized unless you change that in the settings. And I think that would be in your YouTube settings, because I did not see anything in the StreamYard settings on that. But then again, I'm not monetized. So keep that in mind. Once again, if you are monetized, make sure you have it set for monetization in your StreamYard somehow. I cannot show you how to do that because I am not monetized, so it is not showing me how to do that. But that is how simple StreamYard is. I hope this tutorial on StreamYard helped you out, because it's rather easy. I can't show you. You'll have a screen set up when you get in there. You do have a private chat in the room. It's real easy to use, and you can share the link in the chat room on YouTube, or if you don't want everybody just to jump in, you can send it to them through their email or Google Hangout or Twitter in a DM, however way that they can connect with you. I cannot show you that in the tutorial because I would have to actually be online in a chat room to do it. So that part of the tutorial is not going to be able to be shown, but getting it set up is rather easy. Once you set it up, play around, they do allow you, once you get set up, to do a test stream with it, which means it will say test stream, and you don't have to go live. You can just play with it and check it out. And then, or you can test it being live. It's real easy to use. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Remember, always see with your heart and not your eyes, because what your eyes see isn't important. Because what truly matters is invisible to the eyes, because only the heart can see what truly matters. So until I see you again, bye. Love you all.